Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Okay, so tell me what to discuss? Any doubts, anything?
Sir, I've been working with my trim sheets.
Hmm.
Sir, but मेरे में बहुत सारे मतलब there like a lot of like more than 20 small assets
Okay.
that I have to create the whole thing with.
Hmm.
So I'm just working on that. And sir, we were thinking, will it be good if we can, sir, आपने वो class extension का बात किया क्या उनसे?
हाँ मैंने बात किया. So class like one second, let's see. So टेक्निकली ये हमारा लास्ट वीक था, तो एक वीक का एक्सटेंशन मिल सकता है, लेकिन क्लासेस शायद वीक में ना हो सके, तो वी कैन कीप इट ऑन सैटरडे, बिकॉज मेरे पास वीक में दूसरा क्लास ऐड हो रहा है, सो सेम टाइम पे. So what we can do, we can have Saturday of this thing doubt clearing session, or whenever we have a free time, we can have plan out a class according to requirement, और कर सकते हैं. तो देन हमारा सेकंड हमारा फाइनल सबमिशन डेट होगा.
Okay, so yeah, that works.
हाँ मतलब बिकॉज थिंग इज लाइक दूसरा क्लास भी अभी ऐड हो रहा है, तो ऑब्वियसली टाइम तो उतना ही है, राइट? सो
Yeah.
उसको तो एक्सटेंड नहीं कर सकते हैं. सो लाइक हम बिकॉज फॉर डाउट क्लियरिंग और जो भी है उसके लिए हम सैटरडेज 2 घंटे का 3 घंटे का क्लास रख सकते हैं, जिसपे हम कैन डिस्कस एवरीथिंग. तो वो
Okay, sir.
दैट
Yes.
इज पॉसिबल, दैट इज पॉसिबल.
ठीक है, sir. That works fine, I think.
ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम.
Sir, मेरे लिए तो fine है, but nobody else is here, so I'll just once tell them also. Sir, sir, आपने बोला था कि क्या नाम है, like modeling and all, texturing and modeling is the important part, but मेरे में texturing तो सारा trim sheet से ही हो जा रहा है, मतलब
हाँ,
exterior all.
तो ट्रिम शीट जो है वो भी टेक्सचरिंग का ही पार्ट है ना.
Yes, sir.
तो ट्रिम शीट लाइक अभी ओके, मैं ट्रिम शीट हिस्ट्री बता देता हूँ. लाइक प्रीवियसली व्हेन लाइक अभी लाइक नाउ सिस्टम कैन हैंडल 4K टाइप मैप्स, मल्टीपल मैप्स एंड मिलियंस ऑफ पॉलीगन्स. प्रीवियसली उस टाइम जब ओल्ड टाइम पे, अभी 10 साल 15 साल पहले, so like systems were not that strong or that not efficient enough to handle like millions of polygons and 4K multiple 4K maps. So that
Yes, sir.
time we used to use trim sheet. So now this thing came back to fashion again, because it saves a lot of texture memory. So it helps a game, like to suppose you're optimizing a game, it helps a lot. So if you know this technique, it helps you in for your, it adds on your portfolio, and plus you know a technical skill which is required for the industry. हाँ, so
Okay.
वो प्लस में ऐड होता है. So that's like always good.
Okay, sir. Sir, I'll be making one trim sheet. I'm thinking interior के लिए I'll make separate props.
Oh, that's fine. You can make separate maps, or you can, like, what you can do is, like, for all the trim sheet or maybe small props, you can create one map, one 4K map, and apply all the texture. Like, you can have all the maps there, all the UVs there, and texture it in Substance directly. That works also.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Sir, in Substance.
In like suppose like you have a lot of elements, like small elements. So for those just to populate your scene, if you want, you can texture it directly in Substance also.
Okay.
Sir, sir, if I have unwrapped my model for tileable texture,
Okay.
for tiling texture, okay, sir, and but I need some like moss and dirt and all, which I need on my that particular model also. But sir, वो model मैंने जो बनाया जिस तरीके से, it is like super optimized, so I can't do vertex painting on it.
Okay.
So I added that moss and everything in Substance and exported it.
Okay.
And so like when I bring it to Unreal, I take the textures from Megascan, and like last time as we showed, albedo को वो multiply function डाल के करेगा. Will
नहीं,
it
but
work like that?
no. If you use multiply in that case, it will change the color. Like its colors
Okay.
are multiplying, right? It will make it darker,
Okay.
darker in color. So in that case, what you can do is, okay, I'll show it.
Yes, sir. And sir, एक और doubt था मेरे को landscape का. Sir, I was working yesterday on building a landscape, like a base landscape जिसके ऊपर एक घर वगैरह सब place करेगा, and then to progress. Sir, like initially मुझे कोई like landscape मिल रहा ही नहीं था. Like I was thinking of putting a proper height map and then maybe modifying a little bit. वो work नहीं हुआ. फिर खुद से मैंने बनाया एक landscape, but sir वो like कुछ खास लग रहा ही नहीं था. Like कुछ tips या
नहीं, उसके लिए बेसिक वैलीज एंड प्लेटोस वो सारा बनाना पड़ेगा, एंड देन यू टू ऐड फॉलिएज. अंटिल अनलेस यू ऐड फॉलिएज वो अच्छा दिखेगा ही नहीं, वो बहुत वियर्ड लगेगा.
बट सर स्ट्रक्चरली लाइक मैंने वो बनाया एंड देन आई एक्सपोर्टेड माय एसेट, लाइक घर का एसेट उसमें एक्सपोर्ट किया और साइज किया मैंने.
ओके
सर फिर भी लाइक वो कुछ मैच ही नहीं हो रहा लैंडस्केप. सर लैंडस्केप बहुत ही अनरियलिस्टिक लग रहा है, लाइक जस्ट द शेप इन जनरल स्पीकिंग. लाइक बहुत ही स्मूथ है सब कुछ, और कुछ माउंटेन या लैंड जैसे लग रहा नहीं. तो
यू टू ऐड थिंग्स. ओके, जैसे अभी इसमें बनाया तो ये साइड में देखो ये पूरा फ्लैट है, राइट? पूरा फ्लैट है, बट मैंने इसमें यहाँ पे रॉक्स ऐड किया, ग्रास ऐड किया, प्लांट्स ऐड किया, सो जस्ट टू मेक इट मोर रियलिस्टिक, मोर बिलीवेबल.
तो सर लैंडस्केप कैसा भी देखो, इट्स फाइन. आफ्टर एडिंग एवरीथिंग इट विल लुक ओके,
will look nice. Yes, like basic landscape just to blend your entire scene, because landscape का अगर मैं इसको ऊपर से दिखाऊं, you can see it looks, you can see clear tiling, right?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
But if you go to ground level, okay, I'll just play.
समझा. हाँ.
So ground level पे it will look nice, it will look nice and clean.
Yes sir.
So वही है. So like it will look like that only, so don't worry.
Sir, can I like share my screen? Like मैं आपको एक दिखा देता हूँ.
Okay. Just 1 second. I'll just start my sharing on and stop sharing. Now you can share.
हाँ सर, आपको दिख रहा है अभी?
हाँ, दिख रहा है.
हाँ सर, अभी मैंने लाइक इतना इनिशियली यही बनाया था. लाइक मैंने हाइट मैप डाला था, लाइक फाइनल तो इसमें मैंने फिक्स किया था, एंड देन आई मेड दिस two plateaus to place my house and everything on it, and then a road connecting it. और बाकी फिर foliage डाला, but फिर भी सर लाइक कुछ तो अजीब लग रहा है, ये लग रहा है उसमें, इसलिए मैं पूछ रहा था. नहीं, वो ग्राउंड लेवल से सही लगेगा, ऊपर से मत देखो, ग्राउंड लेवल कैरेक्टर के लेवल से देखो. जस्ट हिट द प्ले बटन एंड सी कि कैरेक्टर लेवल से कैसा लग रहा है. हाँ सर, एक्चुअली वो प्ले वर्क नहीं होगा सर, थोड़ा कोलिजन का मैंने बराबर कुछ सेटअप नहीं किया था उसमें.
ओके,
तो हाँ सर.
सो वो कैरेक्टर
लाइक बहुत ही ह्यूज है सर.
ओके, बहुत ही ह्यूज है. यस.
हाँ यस सर, लाइक बहुत ही ह्यूज है, लाइक स्केलिंग वाइज बहुत ही ह्यूज है ये. So should I make from scratch, like without using any height map, or
like there are two things. Okay, one more thing, there is an option to use alphas, like you can use the height map as alpha.
Yes sir, in brush.
Yes, in brush that
yes
option
sir.
is there. So you can have a plain flat plane, and then use a alpha of height map and create those things, so it will add all those detail. So that will
okay,
also
sir.
work. That will also make your life way easier.
Okay sir, I'll try that then.
So ये कैसे काम करता है?
Just you just need to add a alpha height map. Like suppose you download a one height map. Let's see. Okay, Unreal. I'll just use a new level, empty level, and basic light. So landscape, and Sonam also sent me a file, what screenshot. She also have a problem with height map. This is landscape. So I'm creating a basic height map. Everything is straight, nothing
सर
fancy.
यहाँ पर रेजोल्यूशन क्या करना पड़ता है? लाइक सर मैंने लाइक जब भी बनाया था मेरा ऐसे फ्रॉम स्क्रैच, आई हैड पुट माय रेजोल्यूशन टू लाइक आई थिंक 250 by 250, लाइक सेम अभी जैसा आपका है.
हाँ, तो ये
But
डिफॉल्ट
sir,
है. This is default. So if you
so
want,
it doesn't affect the sculpting, right?
no, it doesn't affect the sculpting. It basically gives you
Sir, mine
huh?
is almost 10 by 10.
That's fine. 10 by 10.
My landscape is 10 by 10.
That works. Like if even suppose I create this 2 by 2 also. If I create this 2 by 2, quite small. If I want to extend it later, I can do it. Go to manage plus add. Right? I can add and minus it.
Oh,
Sir,
If
but while sculpting, pixelating आता है sir.
okay.
वही
हाँ,
पूछ रहा था.
pixelating थोड़ा सा वो नहीं. Landscape is not a high poly model, so it will look like that. You need to add blend things. You need to add rocks. You need to add pebbles, grass, and everything. Then it will look nice. So we sculpt में आएंगे and then we have a brush. Let's see. We need to add some brush here. No. Sculpt.
और सर एक और डाउट है सर. सर when I hello.
Yes, tell me.
सर when I like मैंने blocking जो import किया Unreal में. Like it's like the dark parts are completely black. So is that because of there's no UV?
Maybe there is no UV. Maybe there is some error in model or some floating vertex or something. That is also possible. For Unreal, you need UV. Okay. So make sure unwrap it.
Okay.
So you can just replace this with any alpha. From alpha, you can see select any of the brush. By default, it's circle. If you want, you can change, select a pattern. If you want, you can select alpha. And by default, this checker map is there. Let me see if I have something. Let me open it. I just import one height map and drag drop here. Any alpha, it can be any alpha. See? So all those variation I can create directly here with the help of multiple alphas. So वो easily हो जाएगा, कोई issue नहीं है इसका.
Okay, sir.
So, and then if I want to, like,
you have to import the alpha.
You have to import the alpha. Yes, import the alpha first, and then drag drop here and then use it.
Sir, one doubt था कि आपने बोला था ना कि we can use multiple landscapes, like additional use कर सकते हैं ना एक के ऊपर एक. हाँ. तो sir, if I am using, like for example, I am using 2 pieces of landscape and I need like a water, like a valley water in between both the landscape.
Then you have to use geometry. It won't work directly.
Okay.
Like what you can do for the value water part, you can use one landscape, and for next, like either you have to use two different separate water, or you have to use a mesh plane for water. Geometry. Otherwise, it won't work. Then
yes.
हो गया बस ऐसे करके कुछ भी बना दिया एक landscape.
And then blend it with material, right?
Yes, blend it with material, like then smooth it, like soft, like soft it, little blend it, make it smooth. Checkers are really stretchy, so make it little soft. And then okay, like I'll create this, and to blend I have to apply a texture plus things. So so I have to apply texture and to populate this all these areas. Like what I'll do is, my idea is, just give me a second. Where is my jungle? In this, I have a rock, I believe. Yes, I have rocks. So So I created these things to blend this section and make it like more realistic. What I have to do is I have to blend this thing with actual rocks and other stuff. So I'll go to foliage. Drag drop. Now it's foliage. Select all of them, maybe 2. Scaling is 1 to 2, and now I'll paint it. So it will blend. Now its density is too much, so I'll reduce density. Okay, I'll just switch off this one. Like randomize. And then switch off this one, switch on this one. So density, I can make it like 0.001, really low, like maybe 1 here. I can use this, or I can use Megascan, this all these rocks. If I show you in Megascan also, we have a lot of rocks. Megascan. Like this, I have a rock. Suppose I want to use it. Okay, it's loading.
सर आपने जो ट्रॉपिकल फॉरेस्ट पैक जो यूज किया था उसमें फॉलिएज के लिए,
हाँ.
सर वेयर डू वी फाइंड इट?
It's this thing.
Market.
Epic marketplace. Yes.
सर फ्री में है वो?
हाँ, free है, ये देखो. Okay. Abhi now it's open, and
I'll check.
I'll show that also. Like now I have to blend it. So drag drop. So I can do it manually also, or if I want, I can paint it. Like create this entire thing. So blend everything one by one, add, then some foliage. If I go to my jungle, let's see, I'll go back to my foliage once again, and I'll paint a couple of them. Oh, rocks I don't want. And like if I want, I can paint all this thing nicely. Density can increase. Like this, you need to blend the landscape with the foliage, rocks, and other texture. So blend it, and then now that will become look nice, and it will become easy to create. Like have trees. Suppose I want to use some tree. Switch off all of them. Now I have this. See. And according to wherever the foliage is, I have to paint it green, like grassy something, because usually wherever you have plants, you have those grassy effects and all. So add those grass, and so it's like pretty easy, simple, and it's just all about planning. If you plan it properly, you can do it very easily. Where is my character play? If I play, oh, it's outside. Player start. Let's start from here. See. So from ground level, you have to check everything, and not from the like sky level. Check it from ground level. It should look nice, clean.
Yes, sir.
Nah, that's what. And then Sonam asked me about material, this landscape material. She's having difficulty. So, okay, landscape material bana lete hain. Or already we have it. Just give me a second. This is the different. Where is my landscape?
Sir, it's there in the middle. Yes.
Auto blend. Okay, I guess I have modified the base of auto blend only. Okay, so we create this. Let me delete auto blend. Let's keep it simple. And this grass auto blend is not required. It's 0. Delete. Delete. So I cleaned it. So I have a grass and a rocky surface, and connected. They both of them have separate tiling, and rock and grass. Rock and grass is connected properly. I can keep it like this. That will be like much easier to see. Yeah. Tiling for grass, tiling for rock. Bas, that's it. Nothing to do. Only thing you have to make sure layer blend is on, and you have connected this with a landscape coordinate. That's it for tiling. Save it. So by default, it won't. It will look empty. It will look like blank or black in color. Like whenever you apply this material, you have to paint it. You have to generate material info, layer info. Then only it will work. You can see here also it looks kind of gray color, no color, nothing. So now this is my. You can see it looks like a gray, a blue. This some weird color. So I'll select this and select my landscape, and there is a material option. Apply it. It will build and it will look like this only. It won't give you any preview, anything, because it's like all because I haven't generated any layer info, layer build info. So what you have to do is go to landscape, paint.
Sir, mine was looking completely black before I did that.
It will be black. It will be black. Right now, you can see both are there compiling. Like 49 shaders are compiling. So that's
Yes.
why. So it will after compilation, it will look black only. So no need to worry about that. We have to, like, if there is an error, we have to fix the error. If there is no error, that means everything is correct and working perfectly. You just have to generate these two info files. Right now you can see rock is none, grass is none. There is no information file to store the information of where to grass going to appear and where rock going to appear. That information we need to add. So right now it's none. Just click on this plus weight blend and save it wherever you want to save. Let's see. I'll save it under content only. It will generate. You can see it saved a layer blend. Then plus layer blend, or you can select choose your own folder and save it there. See, it's saved. This map and this map, two landscape layer have saved. This is grass layer. This is your rock layer info. Those two things are done. Now you can see Once you're done with that, if you zoom in, you can see everything is rock. So by default, if your preview is not visible, if nothing is visible, everything looks gray, black or something, what you have to do is come to a layer, click on the layer blend. You can see right now everything is empty. Preview weight is 0, preview weight is 0, 0, 0. So what you have to do is select any one of them and make sure the sample source is wrap. So change sample source to wrap, it will work perfectly without any problem. You see, it looks black gray like this only, but it will look like this. Now, wherever you want to fill grass, select it. Reduce this thing and start painting. Now it will generate this grass.
So does it generate on angle detection or does it just randomly?
Wherever you paint, it will generate automatically. I have removed that auto blend. It just like basic material. Wherever you paint,
So
it will show. Yeah.
But sir, actual auto blend will detect the angle of the landscape
Yes.
and then paint it, right?
Yes. It will generate automatically. Then you can paint manually.
Okay, sir.
It's loading. Okay, I guess I need to create an instance because of the tiling. This one. Okay, instance is already there. Select this and I will replace it with the instance. So change the tiling. Now I'll go and see, select grass and paint grass.
Yes.
Sir, is it better to use auto blend or is it better to paint it ourselves?
Like even if you use auto blend, you have to manually paint to blend everything because auto blend is like automatically generated. So there will be cases where, like, suppose you have a plant here, trees and foliage here, so you need to paint grass here. So you have to manually paint anyways. Auto blend will, like, for the distance for those sections, it will work perfectly because those things are not visible, not close to camera. But rest of the things you can just paint it. Anyways, you have to paint and generate all the information.
सर आपने बोला था कि like you had showed 2 materials को auto blend कैसे करते हैं, but you said you'll show 3 also.
ओके, हाँ 3 भी कर लेते हैं, ठीक है. Give me a second, undoing everything. Okay. Now I need one more material, so I need one more text basically. So let's go surface. Okay, let's add this one, normal and roughness, or maybe something completely different. Oh, let's use this one. So you can see clearly there's a pattern. So identify will be easy. Diffuse, normal. Keep the same sequence. Okay, there is no okay. I haven't used any roughness here. So okay, I'll just delete it. So for same function, just connect to roughness. Now we
Yes, sir.
have this one. This is grass blend. Okay, grass will blend with this. Now I need this pattern to blend with rock or something. So what I have to do is I'll create one more blend here. This is your blend, like one more blend basically. And then here is your main texture. Use a linear interpolation. So this output will go to B. This will come to A. So this entire output is B and this output is A. And
Okay.
alpha is this alpha. I can use this alpha or I can change. What I can do is I can have a separate alpha also. Control W. One more align and connect to this and change this parameter. So I
Sir,
change,
नहीं समझ में आया.
let's see. Basically, okay. It's not clear, right? Forget about this thing. This thing, I forget about this thing.
Word aligned वाला नहीं clear है.
No, is okay. Same thing. You have to repeat the same thing again. Like this function, you have to repeat it. So you already have this world align connected to this. So this world align is controlling grass. So you need one more world align to control your this pattern.
No.
Right? So I'm just duplicating this. Control W, duplicate the same world align. Or I can keep it somewhere here down. So I just simply duplicate the same world align. I just have to make sure change the parameter name. This is like underscore 0, 2 or 1, whatever. Name it. Make sure parameter name is different. Otherwise, it won't work. Now, this alpha will go to this alpha. So these two will have to, if the alpha is same, it will appear at the same place. So I need this different alpha.
Okay.
And now this output will go to B and this will go to A and this will go to this one.
Okay.
You just have to like duplicate this and align with this thing. So same thing, linear interpolation here. This entire output to B, this normal output to alpha, and this one to A, and this one will go to your that blend. So I'll delete this section and Control W, duplicate. Grass, rock, and this one go to grass blend directly, grass blend, and this will go to your normal. So blended like that. Now I have two different parameters to control world align. So then save it. So you can see grass is visible and this rock is visible. Right now, both the values are exactly same. So I have to change the values. Now close this. And if I go back to my landscape, but you can see it's compiling right now. Compile. Right? Oh, I modified it. It undo this thing. Okay.
सर वो अप्लाई करके कैसे दिखेगा?
अप्लाई कर दिया अभी कंपाइल हो रहा है.
सर इसके बाद सर वो एल्बिडो वाला आप दिखा दो.
हाँ हाँ ठीक है. ओके I'm just give me a second. I'll make a box or something.
And sir, if I need to like combine two normals, सर like एक normal जो है वो material का है और एक normal जो है वो सर bake information है.
हाँ, so वो add जो दिखाया था add
Add है ना.
add.
हाँ sir, but like there are situations where that bake normals like ऐसा लगता है कि सर वो दिख रहा ही नहीं है करके बहुत ही स्लाइट आ रहा है like तो क्या वो नॉर्मल स्ट्रेंथ बढ़ाने से ही काम करेगा क्या सर?
हाँ, उसका स्ट्रेंथ बढ़ाना पड़ेगा. There's no other way. Okay, so
And sir also can you just show me like the tiling process sir, like वो tiling कैसा मैच करूँ मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा सर.
values increase slider से.
हाँ सर, like I understand like सर स्लाइडर से करने के बाद भी like मैंने मटेरियल को टाइलिंग किया. So I have a normal with all the baked details of the brick from ZBrush. And then I have the normal of the material also. Now I need to match the material according to the normal baker information.
Okay.
Sir.
Yes, we can do that. We need to increase or decrease the tiling based on the bake because baked one you cannot change.
Exactly, sir. But the problem is कि sir, like when I somehow try to match, like क्या होता है कि only almost every time only like 40% ही match होता है sir. When like a particular section of 40% matches, the rest of the section just होता ही नहीं है match. Like sir, मैंने इसलिए आप तो
नहीं, that means ये what do you call it, like UV is not like evenly open, like UV checker map match नहीं है.
सर वो भी चेक किया मैंने सर, लाइक प्रॉपरली मैच करने के बाद मैंने फिर से एक और बार ट्राई किया सर, लाइक फिर भी सेम इशू आ रहा है. लाइक कितना भी टाइलिंग करो सर, उस दिन आपको मैं इसलिए मैं पूछा था लाइक डाउट, आपने बोला कि वो एक्स एंड वाई का भी कोऑर्डिनेट चेंज कर सकते टाइलिंग, राइट? लाइक
कर सकते हैं बिल्कुल.
हाँ सर वो भी किया मैंने सर, वो भी करने टाइम पे कैसा है कि लाइक द सो आई कैन गेट इट मैच्ड लाइक अराउंड 60 to 70% मैच हो रहा है. देयर इज स्टिल सम एरियाज वेयर इट मिस्टेक हैपेंस, लाइक गलत हो रहा है, लाइक बिल्कुल मैच नहीं हो रहा है.
बट कैसे, कैन यू शो मी कैसे?
सर मेरे पास लाइक नहीं है वो, मैं सब डिलीट कर दिया लाइक.
अरे दिन में तो मालूम
सर
कैसे
मैं लाइक
पड़ेगा?
सर मतलब वो नहीं चल रहा तो मैंने फिर वो बंद करके आपने जिस तरीके से डिस्प्लेसमेंट मैप यूज करने बोला दिखाया तो वो यूज करके मैंने फाइनलाइज कर दिया.
दिन मालूम कैसे पड़ेगा कि क्या किया?
लाइक लाइक सर लाइक वही तो मतलब आपने बोला था ना उस दिन, इफ आई एम यूजिंग द डिस्प्लेसमेंट मैप इन ZBrush on the high poly model, either I can use it by noise method or by applying the displacement map method, right?
हाँ, yes.
तो सर मैंने डिस्प्लेसमेंट मैप मेथड लगाया तो सर उसमें तो एक टाइलिंग का कुछ ऑप्शन है ही नहीं, लाइक डिफॉल्ट टाइलिंग में वो जा रहा है.
उसमें टाइलिंग का ऑप्शन नहीं है.
हाँ सर, तो मैंने वो अप्लाई किया एंड देन आई प्लेड अराउंड विद द स्ट्रेंथ जो भी मेरे को पसंद आया लाइक इफेक्ट, एंड देन मैंने एक्सपोर्ट किया हाई पॉली को, एंड देन आई बेक द हाई पॉली एंड लो पॉली इन मार्मोसेट.
Okay.
And I have a albedo, I have a ambient occlusion map and a normal map.
Okay.
And then आपने जिस तरीके से बोला था कि how to add to use add modifier and multiply modifier to combine everything with the material, वो सब किया मैंने. And then I add tiling to match the tiling of the material with the baked map. हाँ sir, then it's not happening.
How?
Like tiling भी अरेंज करके x and y कोऑर्डिनेट का भी वो अप्लाई करने के बाद फिर से किया मैंने. And then I checked the UV map also. Like I remember you telling me about that checker map thing. तो वो भी चेक किया तो बराबर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है, सब अरेंज करके रखा था मैंने. लाइक फिर बाद में मैंने UV फिर से चेंज किया so that I thought I'll just texture it in substance, but सर substance में लाइक सेम इशू आ रहा है, बहुत ही फ्लैट आ रहा है, बिल्कुल डिटेल से पॉप हो रहा नहीं, बिकॉज इट्स अ स्टोन दीवार है ना सर. तो फिर फाइनली फिर मैंने फिर डिस्प्लेसमेंट मैप ही यूज किया, लाइक आपने जैसे कैसे बोला था ना डिस्प्लेसमेंट मैप डाल के टेसलेशन करके, सर वैसे ही किया मैंने. हाँ सर, बट लाइक वो बहुत मेमोरी खा रहा है लाइक.
हाँ तो वो डिस्प्लेसमेंट मेमोरी खाता है. सो
Sir,
With-
but एक doubt is sir, like if I'm duplicating one single model which has a displacement and tessellation map, तो वो जो model duplicate करा तो वो instance बनता है ना Unreal में sir.
हाँ,
तो will it be the same for the material applied on it और नहीं
yes,
तो क्या
it will be
material
same.
multiply होता है?
No, same रहेगा.
हाँ, then फिर सर ठीक ही है, like एक ही model में मैंने material apply किया और फिर उसको मैं duplicate कर रहा हूँ sir.
Okay. Let's see why it's not painting anything. Oh, paint correct only.
सर वो तीसरा टेक्सचर कैसे पता चलेगा, कहाँ आ रहा है वो?
उसका let's see, open. थर्ड वन तो दिख नहीं रहा कहीं पे, बट ये यहाँ पे ब्लेंड तो हो रहा है.
सर शायद वो लाइक दोस stretched rocks are actually that material.
देखना पड़ेगा अभी तो. Okay, still compiling. रॉक तो पेंट हो रहा है, कोई इशू नहीं है.
सर या फिर I'll blend it between two only. This looks very complicated.
Okay, that's fine. That is also
सर because वो blend बहुत अच्छा आता है, मतलब I can't paint that kind of blend.